check it out. 4.5-inch long range skystar. Yep, skystar GPS on it. Skystar. Got my Fox Ear camera on there. Yep, took it off my 5-inch. 5 inches busted, not working. So I got this one for about 160 bucks. Yeah, I could have spent 80 bucks, $80 to $100 for a new ESC, but I decided to spend a little bit more and get me a whole drone. And it's long range. Express LRS right there. Yep, Express LRS right there. Got the flight tower right up in there. Video transmitter right there. Little lollipop for the video transmitter. These don't even work. Take these off. That's just for looks. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have them off when I fly. About to go do a long range test. Not anything else, just a test. All right, see you there.